Good evening, my name is Shanika Burrell and I'll be showing you how to create a Canva to enhance your. Now, first you would have to type in the URL canva.com. Alright, I have all typed that in, and then you in the browser, then you press enter and then it will come up to this website. Okay, you can choose to log in if you are already have an account, or you can sign up. Now you for the free, to get the free version, then you would have to definitely sign up for it. Okay, so I'm gonna click sign up. After you click sign up, you can get started with Canva, free forever, create stunning designs and documents in minutes, and you need no experience. Okay, so I'm going to sign up with my account, or you can choose to create an account for yourself. Alright, so I'm going to sign up with my Google account. Alright, while that loads, choose an account. Alright, so I'm going to continue to Canva with my Gmail account. Alright, signed in already. So it says you can create a design. Okay, so you have home, you have templates, right? So you can choose from different templates. You have templates here. Alright, so you can choose different templates for social media, for personal, business, marketing, education, etc. Okay, it's loading, so that's why you don't see it come up as yet. But you can choose from a wide variety of templates. So you can I'll just be showing you how you use Canva to create a presentation. So I already clicked on presentation. Right, I'm just waiting until it loads. Presentation area. Alright, so you can choose to upload from a media, such as, can upload images, you can upload videos or audios. Alright, this if that's from your desktop. So if you have created something before, you can upload it. Say I wanted to upload something that I have done before. You can do that. You can upload a video, or you can just drag it here. Alright, so you can click on upload, and you would click device. You can click on if it's there on Facebook, you can click on it. If it's in the Google Drive, you can click on it, etc. So say I'm going to go to my Google Drive. I click on that. And then I would have to connect to my drive. After which I will choose my account, the account that I want to get the video from. Okay, and it says Canva want to access my account. You can click, or you just cancel. Well, I don't want it to access my Google Drive, so I just click cancel. But this is what photos. Alright, go to photos and you choose a photo, right? Or you can type in what you want to search for. You can type text, you can choose elements, and elements like shapes and frames and lines and arrows, circles, etc. So you, depending on what you want to accomplish, you can on right. So you can choose from a wide array of elements, okay, depending on what you want to do. All right, text, add a heading. Okay, so say I wanted to add a heading, so I click add heading, and notice it will come over here, and then I can go ahead and add my heading. Say my heading that I want is input devices. So that's my heading. I want a subheading, so I click on subheading, and I will put I can say subheading would be types of input devices. Alright, that's my subheading. Alright, so that's what you do, and you can play around with it with the heading. You can make it bigger in size, right? You can you know, adjust it, right? So how you want it. Alright, you can also add a background, a template, sorry. You can add a template if you want, right? Whichever you choose to do, right? Etc. But if I don't want to, then I don't have to. I can choose to do a background, alright? So in photos, you can click background, right? And you can choose a background. You can choose from it, alright? Whichever background that suits your taste. So say I wanted this background, I'll just click on it, and you can adjust the background to fit the screen. Alright, whichever you want to achieve, you can. So I'm going to adjust my background. Alright, okay. Alright, then after you have created your background, you can add another page. So I'm going to add another page, right? And notice, choose whatever background I want. I can still work with this background, or you know, if I don't want that back, you can choose a different background. Okay, whichever suits you, you can. Alright, remove that. Alright, add page title, which I add input devices. You can add a heading, when you know, click on text and add a heading. So I can call this heading types of input devices. Alright, and then and you notice I have a different background color, so I chose the rainbow color. Choose this type of background. Alright, and then we can click on picture again, and we can choose to go into can type what picture we want. So I don't want it for a background, just want for it. So you can see inputs devices, right? And then we click enter, and it will search for input devices. Alright, so since you're on types of input, I'm going to insert a free keyboard here. Notice it says free. Insert a keyboard. You can also have this as a background, right? Or we can resize it to, you know, so it's not too big. on the page. Right, can do that as well. Alright, so and so we're sizing it so that it's not too big. Alright, and can add text again to say so sub-heading would be keyboard. Alright, so I have it there, our sub-heading, and then we add another page, and then we can insert, we're going to add another page by clicking on this plus icon, and we can choose another background, or we can keep that background. All right, so I'm going to, so I'll scroll to see the same background that I chose. I'll pick it there, and then I'll drag it, just resizing it so that it fits within the on the page. All right, then we can type in another search for input devices. I can just click back on it, recent, and get other input devices. Okay, and say I want the mouse now. Alright, I have it there, and then I can add a text, and then I will type. So sub-heading, I will add a sub-heading, and then I will type mouse. Alright, you can bold it, and fit it up as how you want it. You can italize it, increase the size, the font size and style and stuff like that, right? Okay, so there you go. And we can also go to audio, where we can just have a background audio in the presentation. Okay. Set to choose morning snowflake audio. Click on it, and then it will come up. Alright, see morning snowflake. Play. Right here, just press play to hear it. Okay, and you can adjust the volume as well. Play now. Want it, right? To make it softer. Alright, enhance the mood of your choose, right? And I want, so because I'm on input devices, I'm just gonna stick with that. So you can search for YouTube just to make a duplicate of the page, right? But I don't want this in it, so I'm going to delete it. Right, press delete on the keyboard. Right, I'm deleting my sub-heading as well, and I found my video now, so I would just put a little video of input devices in it. Say I wanted to be uploading a video, because I couldn't find a free video on input devices, so I'm going to be uploading one that I did before. So I click on it, your clip of input devices. Okay, so I'm going to be inserting it in my presentation. Okay,